everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ChrisHan. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. I'm a mom to a 4-year-old. I like to take my daughter to places. I enjoy traveling with her. Especially in summer. I mean, no school, summer is always vacation time for her. So today I'm going to show you how I pack everything for a 2-night weekend trip. Okay, I have to confess, I used to be that person who just tossed everything into a giant tote the night before the trip. I always got something like random cords, missing sock, half-packed skincare, stuff like that. But I finally upgraded my system, which made packing so much faster and smoother. This is my new packing system featuring BAGSMART Blast system. I have a couple different items from BAGSMART. I'm going to show you everything in this video, so make sure you stick around. And this system, BAGSMART Blast, it's designed to make travel smarter and easier, and honestly, it just delivers. My strategy is to lay everything out first. It helps avoid overpacking and last-minute chaos. These are everything that I want to pack for the weekend getaway, because it's a summer trip and we pack really light. First of all, this is the brand new Blast Pro 40-liter backpack. And it's become my go-to for weekend trips. I like the size, I like the build quality, and it comes with different compartments for different stuff. So for this trip, I'll be packing most of my clothes, shoes, and gadgets in this one. This backpack can fully open like this. It's pretty deep, very roomy, and this size is airline approved for carry-on, so I don't need to check my bags. In the back, there's a separate compartment for the gadgets for the laptop. Here you can put an iPad, maybe some cords and stuff. And the interior of this compartment is designed for all-around protection. It's got a triple-sided pitot bumpers and suspended system along with the velvet lining, so you don't get any scratches or external impact on the go. So let me put my laptop in this compartment first. Okay, it's secured. And this small mesh compartment is perfect for the charger and the other cords. One of my favorite features about this backpack is the shoe compartment in the bottom. It's very soft. This is a lifesaver. So this time I packed some summer shoes, sandals, slippers, just right here. So all the dirt and dust will be kept inside of this pouch. I can just put clean clothes up here. And I already have all my toiletry in this toiletry bag. And it comes with a built-in hook where you can easily hang in your bathroom. It's very spacious. It comes with different compartments in here. And these are all my essentials, like beauty essentials, skincare essentials, and some hair products. And there's a couple small mesh compartments in here. And you can also secure some bottles here, some items like here. And make sure all of your beauty and self-care products are safely secured in this toiletry bag. And there's also a waterproof front pouch. I just put some small items here for easy access, which is very nice to have. And the top strap just comes handy too. Now I'm just gonna put the toiletry bag here. If you don't have a lot of stuff for self-care, you can put your toiletries right here in this waterproof compartment. Because it's a summer trip, I'll be staying for just 2 nights. So this is big enough for all my stuff. I'll put my swimwear in the waterproof compartment. There's enough space for a hairstyler. Now I'm going to close the strap and tighten again. Ever since I had this backpack, I stopped using my carry-on suitcases. And here's a front compartment, which is nicely made, nicely designed. You can put maybe passport, your cards here, maybe a pen, and this is for your keys. This compartment is one of my favorites, the top compartment. This is great for like small items and quick access. I just put my sunglasses here and here, along with my camera. It's nice. I can quickly access these items without opening the main compartment. And I also like that there is this hidden pocket. This is RFID blocking hidden pocket. It gives you a peace of mind because if you're going to Europe where theft is a concern, you can definitely put your passports, your credit card, your cash here in this hidden compartment. As you can see, it's got handles in the bottom, the side, and the top. So it's very easy for you to throw it on over your head. In your trunk, it's just very manageable. On top of the straps, you can find these two buckles. You can tighten or loosen the strap depending on how much you carry. This is low lifters, fine-tune weight distribution, and they further help you balance the weight. With all my stuff in, this bag usually weighs over 15 pounds. So this is very helpful, and the bag won't feel as heavy as it gets because of the weight distribution, details, the straps, the pads. And the side pouch here, this is for a water bottle. This one really feels like a soft shell carry-on, but way more comfortable and organized. And I love that the material feels durable, but still nice looking, very sleek and stylish. Next up, we have this mesh travel backpack. I plan to put all my daughter's clothes, shoes, and just random stuff in this bag. It's a little bit smaller than the 40-liter one. This one is expandable actually, so you can just easily open the zip all around this bag, and just to make it more roomy for more stuff. Look at this. You see? It's a lot bigger now. This front compartment is for something that she will be using on the go, and maybe her book, and also have some wipes for her. So I just put it in the front, like the mesh compartment, and I'll close it and open the main compartment. As you can see, the inside is also pretty deep and roomy, and it's got a strap for additional security, and also the shoe compartment, which is, I think it's pretty waterproof. So here I have her swimming shoes. Close this compartment. Just to make everything like more organized, I'll be using these pouches. These are BAGSMART packing cubes. These come in handy, like different sizes, different designs. I have some small ones, some big ones, medium sized. And you can also expand the cubes by opening the zip like this. So they're like a lot deeper now. If you want to bring any personal items with you after you check in your hotel at your destination, you don't have to bring everything from your heavy backpack. You can just bring one like lightweight pouch, like this backpack here. So I will definitely pack one of these. I'll just pack one like this. And I'll be using these two cubes to pack her stuff for bottoms and tops. So you can make them fully open like this. The nice thing about the packing cube is that you can actually compress the cube by zipping up like this. So it will take up much less space in your bag. In order to compress the cube, make sure you lay your items evenly in the cube. You see they're nicely compressed, they look flatter and more compact. Now just put everything in the backpack and secure the items using the strap. In the side pouch, it's for her water bottle. Okay. Just like the first one, the 40-liter one, this backpack also comes with a quick access top compartment. So I will be putting her hair accessories and her little furry stuffed animal in the same compartment, so she can quickly access whenever she needs it, maybe for nap time. Okay, I've packed everything, but take a look at the side. Hidden pockets here, and another hidden pocket here where you can put your passport and cards again. Bag straps are padded as well, and also comes with a weight distribution strap here. And so it's still like very easy for you to carry some weight, and you can use this strap to place the backpack onto your suitcase. And the bag can be fully opened. You can put your laptop, your iPad here in the padded compartment, and some mesh pockets for gadgets, for charging cords, stuff like that. And the 40-liter one also has this strap for you to place the backpack onto your luggage. Both backpacks are great. They're from the same collection, so they have a lot of like similar, like nice detailed designs. And the Blast Pro 40-liter is slightly bigger than this one. It's got 4 features, 4 function. If you're traveling for over 4 or 5 days with a lot more stuff, you're looking for capacity, I mean, this backpack will be perfect for you. If you're looking for something lightweight, more flexible, and this bag will be great. All is organized and packed. No chaos, no stress. So here's my honest take. I mean, BAGSMART, this system is very smart and well designed. And the choice of fabric, the material they use, everything is very durable and looks good. And the backpacks are my favorites. They're seriously well built. And the hanging toiletry bag and the compression packing cubes, they're very handy, very good to have. If you have a lot of small stuff, these are for you. My daughter is very big on water bottles on the go, so she really likes the water bottle holders of the backpacks. No matter for road trips or flights, BAGSMART just made my life so much easier. If you're a frequent traveler, you probably get the idea, like all these little details, small features here and there of the system, you know, they just make a big difference. If you're heading out this summer, if you want to upgrade your travel experience, like packing experience, check out BAGSMART Blast collection. Honestly, I wish I started using this sooner. If you're interested, I have everything linked in the video description down below, along with an exclusive discount code. If you have any questions about BAGSMART, or if you want to share your own packing tips, please use the comment section down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!